Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was working on my tractor and had a battery that needed some help. Thank goodness for this. I was just sent this, which is a 12, a 24, or a 6 volt smart charger. Now it actually tells you on the top here all the different ways that you can use this, again for the 6, 12, or 24. I currently have a 12 volt in here now. Currently this is off, and you get the ability to switch this to low, medium, high, or a repair mode. So you actually have a lot of different options that you can select on there. And in addition to that, you can actually press and hold this button to switch it to 24 volt. If you're going to have that in your, say, an RV or something like that, you can click that. It's going to beep and explain that you're switching into 24 volt. Again, I am not going to be doing 24 volt. We're going to be doing it into our 12 volt here. So let me go ahead and get this plugged in. These actually use these alligator style grips that have a nice cover on them, and you're not going to be able to screw anything up and clip it onto the wrong thing or shock yourself, which is really nice. And I'm going to simply click this onto my terminals on there. The smart charger is going to come on. It's going to show you the amount of battery level. It takes it a second to kind of run through the cycles. Kicks on for high. You have temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius, and it's going to begin charging up my battery, which is fantastic. Love the handle on this, liking the repair mode. One other neat feature that I wanted to show you about this particular one is, one, it's quiet. That's even on high. There is an internal fan, but it is quiet. And battery's full. That is fantastic. Whenever you take these off, again, part I like about it is you actually can wrap this around, and they provide you this on the back here is a little place to clip these and hold those in place. I hadn't seen that on some of the others. That's nice. That way they're not flopping all over the place. And the cable that you have on this is the standard 110, is really long. It is grounded, and it does have a nice thick cable on the back of this that you can easily wrap up to take this with you, with that nice convenient carrying handle that you can use or tuck it away when you don't want to. This would be great to keep it for yourself or give it to a gift for someone else that you know needs a full charge.